Hi everyone, we have a really nice video coming up and it's all about scent and the power of scent that flowers have and how can we use it as florists. And of course I'm not the expert about scent, so I brought Roos with me and she knows everything about it. Can you tell us more?
Well, scent is extremely important and the bees still remember it. But we also have a nose and we like to follow a scent trail as well. And that could start right in front of the shop.
Really?
Yes.
So we can do more as florists with scent?
Absolutely.
And you have some ideas for us?
Lots.
Okay, well let's go inside, see what they already have in materials and flowers.
Yeah.
And then let's have some fun with scent.
Good.
Great. Wow. That is beautiful. Rosemary. So we're outside the shop and this is, like Roos said, the perfect place to draw in customer with scent. So I made a simple display, just 2 pieces of wood with some nice plateaus that you can either close or open. And I'm just going to place some colored glass on and then we'll see what happens.
I've got a lovely violet color for you.
Ah, that works.
Here we have a real peppery note.
Okay. Well, I'm glad I brought you because your nose is much better than mine. I think it just smells beautiful.
This gives me this really floral effect.
And a beautiful color.
Yes.
Great combination.
Yes.
So one really nice scented display for outside. You can see already with the right words, the right materials, you can draw attention. And for that finishing touch, I think Roos is writing something really nice. Okay, let's follow our nose.
What would be ideal is that if I follow my nose inside, there would be a scent on the nose height.
That sounds logical, but I think a lot of florists don't use that. But we made something that probably would fit that description.
Really?
Scent on the height of your nose. Let's see.
Pim, what an invention!
This is what we made. Of course it's a bit more technical, but we have a nice pedestal with a plateau, with the tubes, and it's turning around, so it's also, I think, hopefully spreading the scent of the beautiful Freesia and all the other materials. What do you think?
Oh, you can feel it, and you can smell it, and you can touch it. It's really nice.
Well, I'm glad you like it, and I hope people will like it too.
I love it.
So Roos, we started outside, we're now inside the shop. We see this massive sea of flowers. What's your advice on using scent in a presentation like this?
Of course it's nice if you have one corner with scented, strong, fragrant flowers that the customer can really take it in. But on the other hand, your shop is like a garden of Eden and everywhere is something to discover.
Yeah.
And to smell and to feel and to touch.
I think I would go for that one. Spreading the scent around your presentation, around your shop, so people can really dive in and go on a discovery.
As if you're Alice in Wonderland.
That's a good one.
This is another cool idea, to let your customers feel with what materials you work.
And it's very simple.
It's tactile, it's simple, it smells good, and it gives a whole new experience in the shop.
Well, Roos, I have to thank you for this beautiful day and this journey through scent. I really see a lot of options for the Freesia. So thank you very much for that.
I hope they are inspired.